Have you ever been lost about the difference between the selection tool and the direct selection tool? Or how about that hidden gem, the group selection tool? Hey, I'm Cheryl from Animedia Science. I'm here to help you improve your science communication and have your audience saying, "Aha, I get it now." In last week's Tooltip Tuesday, I discussed the selection tool, which allows you to grab an object and move it around and scale it and change it. Today, I'll be discussing the direct selection tool and the group selection tool. Let's start with the direct selection tool, which is keyboard shortcut A. With the direct selection tool, you can grab a piece of an object and pull it, like that, or a piece of a square, and that'll just make it longer. Or you can grab a corner and manipulate a corner, so we can pull that corner around, which is pretty simple. Or if you are using a curved edge, if you select that point, again, you can move it, but almost more importantly, you can grab these control handles and pull them and rotate them to change the shape of your curve. Another thing you can do with the direct select tool is you select an object that's got corners. You'll see these little circles on the edge. If you pull one of those circles, it will round all of the corners on your object. Now, if instead you wanted to just round one corner, you could select one and pull that and round off one corner. The other thing you can do, as with a selection tool, is you can just pull a box across something and select some of the object, but not all of it. Okay, and with the group selection tool, let's look at this group I have here. So I've created a group over here, and if I, with this legend for this map, and if I select this one object with the selection tool, it selects all of everything in my group. And let's go over to the layers and open that up, and you can see the many layers in this group. If I want to select just one object in that group, I can use the direct select tool, and that'll select one object. But the advantage of the group selection tool instead is I can select one object, and then if I click again, it selects the next layer of the group. If I click again, it selects the next largest group up, and if I click one more time, I've selected the entire group. If you're interested in finding out more about the selection tool, just follow the link to the left. And I'll talk to you next week for the next Tool Tip Tuesday.